Hello. Today we're going to be talking about Windows 3.1 in this video. Now, in my last video, I talked about Windows 3.0. 3.1 was a major update basically to Windows 3.0. It added a lot of features and stuff, and I guess you could see that the UI looks more cleaner and closer to Windows 95. And you can see some like icons have changed, and definitely looks better than Windows 3.0. Now Windows 3.0 was released in 1990. This is 3.1, which released 2 years after, so in 1992. So we're going to look at some of the stuff. It's going to look very similar to Windows 3.0 because again it is still part of the Windows 3X series, so and still using the 9X kernel, and also Windows 3.1 is the last version of Windows to be based off of or to have MS-DOS on your computer. You see, in early versions of Windows, you needed to have MS-DOS on your computer first to install Windows. That all changed with Windows 95, released in 1995, but we're going to talk about that in a different video. So this is the last Windows that needed MS-DOS to install onto your computer. So it has a lot of the same apps as Windows 3.0. Of course, it has some newer features and more apps, but so that's why we're here. And today we're going to be talking about it. Okay, so first we'll accessories. We'll do accessories. We have Write. You already know how that works. Paintbrush, Terminal, Notepad. Always, just check. We can save that. And as always, this is obviously in a VM, so I'm never going to run any of this on native hardware. I'll just say YouTube.txt. Okay, and it's saved. Card file, calendar, calculator. Let's see what object packager is. That wasn't in Windows 3, I don't think. Like, I don't really actually know what it does, honestly. To be really honest. A character map, let's see what that is. I think it's like tells you what all the characters of font is. Yeah, here's all the fonts that you can see. System, Times New Roman. Can close out of that. We have media player. Uh, we don't have any MCI device drivers, and even if we did, I don't have any MP3s to play on it anyways. So, okay, but we do have a sound recorder that again is not going to work because there's no sound driver installed. Because again, this is a VM, an online VM too, so it makes it even harder. We have games, and instead of Reversi, they finally switched to the classic Minesweeper. So yeah, I probably suck more at Minesweeper than I do at Reversi, but yeah. I always like to check the corners first before I. Well, that's enough of that. Um, and of course we have Solitaire, Startup. I don't think there's anything in here. I think maybe that's supposed to be like the apps that start up when you start up. And we have, oh yeah, we already had main opened up. Let's check out Microsoft Visual Basic. I'm not sure if this Visual Basic was already on here or not, so. Now, of course, I don't know Visual Basic at all, so I don't know how to code or anything for Visual Basic, of course. But it would have looked like this in the year 1992. You can like add elements and no. No, you can arrange them in a different way, maybe. Okay. Maybe you can't. About Program Manager. Yeah, 1992. And I am using PCJS website. They have a lot of VMs, so shout out to them. That's pretty much it, I guess. Next time we'll talk about Windows 95 and all the big improvements and changes it had. See you in the next one. Bye.